In this Wix website tutorial, let's take a look at how to remove a collaborator from your site. So if you need to remove someone from a site, make sure you select that site and then go into the dashboard. So we'll select and edit this site here. And it should take us straight to our dashboard. Just find your way to the dashboard, and then in the lower left, you'll see settings. Inside of settings is roles and permissions. So we're going to select that. And then once we're inside of roles and permissions, you'll see all of the different members and collaborators here listed out, and whether they're pending, whether they're already a member or collaborator of your site. There's going to be 3 dots here on the right hand side, and in those 3 dots we can click and then remove that collaborator. And so it's going to ask us if we're sure we want to remove this email address. They won't have access to the site anymore. I believe that's what you're here for, so we'll click Remove Collaborator, and that's going to remove them from your site. So that's how you can delete a collaborator or remove a collaborator from your Wix website.